Okay, let's check the switch right there, the safety switch. Vamos a checar el switch aquí. Remove this part. Just need to pull it out. Let's pull it right there. Oh, right here we got the problem right here. Aquí tenemos, yo creo que parte del problema. Let me show you. So I'm gonna remove this cover. Just need to pull it, but as you can see, all the wires, all of them on that connector, they're chewed. Ahí están todos los cables mordidos por la rata. Voy a desconectar la batería. He estado checando esta camioneta y miren todos los cables mordidos de rata. Todos aquí, allá. Ya hace como 3 años yo le arreglé esta camioneta y tenía unos cables mordidos allá abajo arriba de la transmisión. See, like 3 years ago I fixed this truck too. It was like wires chewed like this over on top of the transmission. Okay, so now we know the problem. Let me go under, see if there's some other wires that are chewed. Let me disconnect the battery first. Voy a desconectar la batería, no sé que me vaya a hacer un corto porque he estado trabajando con la batería conectada. Right here, let's remove the terminal. Vamos a quitar la terminal y vamos a dejar cargando la batería. Esta camioneta va a seguir teniendo muchos problemas porque ya las ratas ya hicieron aquí su nidal. Okay, let's charge this one. I'm gonna put charge. Okay. See, this truck is gonna have this problem, this truck, because they already the rats, they already make like their nest. This truck. Ya tenemos desconectada la batería. Vamos a quitar estas trampas de aquí, ponérselas por acá y el okay, so now I don't know, we need to, I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard and find out these connectors. See, this is the safety thing, just in case something happens. Sometimes this one jumps. This is the thing I was going to check, but I found this, and maybe it's not the only place that the wires that are chewed. Tal vez no sea este el único lugar donde está la. Ok, voy a tener que conseguir esta conexión porque esa conexión sí está bien dañada. Esta, see, this connector, it's all the wires, they're all gone. See, all the wires right there. This one is the one for the fuel pump. This one, see, it's cut. Este es el que va para la bomba. está cortado, ¿sí? Por eso no prende esta camioneta. See, this is the one that goes. So what I'm gonna do, maybe I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard and find out this connector, because this connector, it's all gone. See, all of them. See, all the wires on that connector, it's completely disconnected. See, right here. Ditch. Este está totalmente, el conector lo mordieron totalmente. No, estos dos va a ser mucho trabajo para conectarlos. Lo que voy a ir a hacer, mejor voy a ir a comprar en el deshuesadero, a ver si hay uno, y traerlo con cables más largos para conectarlo, como por aquí así. ¿Sí? Este pues no es problema, pero miren, ¿sí? Okay, so we got something to do right here. Tenemos algo que hacer aquí. Okay, and it's got this hole, that's why it went in. I'm gonna leave this thing without this cover, so the rats can enter. Either way, they're gonna go in. Doesn't matter. I don't know how the rats go inside a vehicle. They come through here, even in a brand new vehicle. If it's all closed, the rats get in there. Las ratas se meten en los carros si están bien cerrados o no están bien cerrados, sean viejos o sean nuevos. Las ratas se meten. Sí, he arreglado carros nuevecitos que tienen mordiscos de rata o ratas adentro de los carros. See, I've been fixing cars that the rats, brand new cars, the rats go inside the cars. I don't know how they go in there. Let me go under to check, see if some wires they're being do. Vamos a ver si no hay cables mordidos. Ahí está una manguera, es la que vimos el otro día. See, right there's the tank. Let me go to the other side. Okay. So I didn't see any more wires like that, so I'm gonna have to replace, like I say, those connectors. See, I need to go to the junkyard to find out these connectors. Yep. Voy a ir al deshuesadero, voy a ir a buscar estos cables. See, let me put something right here, cut these ones, and I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean right here because they bite, and if a wire get stuck into one of my fingers, I don't know if it's got something, bacteria or something. Sí, voy a limpiar aquí porque no sé, ahorita lo he estado moviendo, pero si empiezo a maniobrar aquí y un cable de estos se me entierra, ya ven que se entierran los cables así en los alambritos, y no sé qué tenga como estuvo mordiendo el ratón ahí. So let me wash it. Okay, so I got this sanitizer liquid I made with Clorox and other stuff I get on the store, cleaning thing. So I'm gonna spray right here. Voy a ponerle aquí todo aquí. apague bien. Todo esto lo vamos a cambiar. Sí, it smells like Clorox because I put Clorox. Le puse cloro y un líquido que compré para limpiar ahí, para desinfectar. Just to make sure there's no virus or something, bacteria, because the rats, they ate these wires. They like to eat wires. I don't know why. No sé por qué les gusta comer cables a estos animales. Okay, so now I think like it's clean. Okay, so I'm gonna find out those connectors and I'll be back. Voy a ir a buscar esas conexiones y pues luego regresamos, ok, a seguir con esto. Ese es todo el problema que tienen los cables mordidos de rata. Vamos a cerrar aquí. Let's close this one. Let's put this one right here. Okay, now let's keep working on another car. Don't forget to subscribe because I need my channel like grow up a little bit. So if you don't help me, who else gonna help me? I depend on you. Ok, dependo de ustedes para que mi canal crezca. No se olviden de suscribirse y así para que vean más mordiscos de rata en otros carros. Ok, I'll see you then. I went to the junkyard to find out the connector, but they only the trucks they have over there, they don't have the same connectors. As you can see, the only one that looks like it's this one, but there's no other one. This one, it's different. See, so I'm gonna have to use just this one. And this one is the one I'm gonna have to use. That's the only one. On this one I'm gonna have to remove the, maybe I can solder this one or remove one pin like these pins. I'm gonna have to remove it and remove these ones. See? Voy a cambiar los conectores que encontré en el Junker, nada más tiene parecido porque todos son diferentes, y voy a sacarlo. Yo creo que voy a usar estos pins para reconstruir pero a ver si hay uno parecidos colores. Si no, voy a unir aquí estos conectores. That's the only way I can do. There's no other way. Got this one for the fuel pump. Tengo ese para la bomba de la gasolina. These wires, they're not the same color. Let me see. Vamos a ver los alambrados estos. Hoy es un día muy ventoso. They're so windy. Okay, I was checking the colors on this connector, and this one, it's the same color. It's brown with yellow. This one is gray, blue. Yeah, that's the same. This one it's blue tan, orange, pink, brown with pink.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to a technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Gray with black.
Auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and in full computerized.
Yeah, they're the same.
Service your heating and AC.
White.
Timing belts, brakes.
Oh, it needs this one. Right here is missing one. Tenemos uno que no está, que no lo tiene. Sí, lo voy a tener que abrir y ponerle este, que es negro con color de rosa. It's black with pink. See, all others they're the same color. Todos los demás son el mismo color. El único que no tiene es este. Vamos a buscar en estos cables si encontramos uno de negro con rosa. Let's see if on these wires if we found one of the black with right here is one. Let me see the, no, it's a little bit, I'm gonna have to use a different another one. Voy a usar otro porque no hay de ese color. Pink. Okay. There is no pink. No tenemos el rosa con negro. Maybe I can use the another black. This is black with pink, but it's too thin. Este está muy delgadito. Este es como del 14. This is like a 14 gauge. Sí, este es como 14 y este es como del 18. Okay, maybe I'm gonna use one of these. Vamos a usar uno de estos. No encontramos los que lleva, no hay camionetas. Hay muchas camionetas, pero todas son diferentes, no entiendo por qué. Son iguales, son Ford. Maybe because this one it's a standard transmission. Okay, I'm gonna use this black with green instead of this black with pink. Vamos a usar ese negro con, voy a cambiarlo, voy a abrir este, I'm gonna open this one, Let's go in there. Hacia adentro. Let's remove this one, pink. This is not a pink. Green. Vamos a quitar este verde con este negro. No hay otro. Okay, let's lift the locking. The locking tab. We got it all. Ya tenemos afuera ese. Now let's remove this cover. Vamos a sacar esta tapa. Este plástico que asegura aquí. Okay. After we remove this one, let's remove this rear cover. Vamos a quitar esta tapita de acá atrás para poder meter el cable. Let's remove this one. We need to lift these clips right here. All right, let's push it out. I need to lift it right there. The one that not letting me push it out. Okay, let's continue with this connector. Customer came in and interrupt me. Let's push this one. Don't wanna give up. Quiere salir. Está un poquito dormido. Esta. Right there. Okay, I'm not gonna remove this one. I'm just gonna slide the cable through right here. Okay. Okay, we got the connector right here. Let's check which one. It's the one we need to put. And it's this one, okay? Make sure right here on this side, under this one. All of them, they're the same colors. The only thing it's this one. It doesn't have this one, and it's gonna be a different color. We don't have this black with pink. We're gonna put the black with green. Closest. That's the closest color. Let's slide this one in here. Make sure. Oh, it doesn't have any side. This one. It's gonna lock right here. Si no tiene el lado este, nada más va ahí y ya. Como este gira, ¿verdad? No es cuadrado, como cuadradito. Okay, so let's pass it through this hole. And now let's slide this cover right there. Okay. Now we're good. We're good to go. Now let's put this one. Vamos a poner este para asegurar aquí. Y ya está. This one is ready to install. We just need to fix the other wires because I could only find this one because I don't know why all the trucks they have these connectors with different or different connectors, not this one. Maybe because this truck it's standard and all of these they're automatic. No puedo encontrar conexiones iguales, todas son diferentes, la única que es igual es esta, pero me imagino porque esta camioneta es estándar y todos estos son automáticos. So, pienso que por eso es diferente. So let's install it and then we need to make the tune-up and change the starter. The customer wants to replace the starter. Okay, so let's repair this wiring. Let's cut right here. Vamos a reparar este alambrado que agarraron de alimento las ratas. Como no tienen hilo dental las ratas, ocupan los cables, es por eso. Sí, esa es la razón. Tienen que limpiar los dientes. Sí. Okay. This one is together with this one. This one is for this. I'm not gonna get it mixed, okay? Estos son los que van conectados a este. These ones, they're the one that connects with this one. Okay, I'm going to remove all of this. Oh, this is the gray one. See? Yeah. I'm gonna remove these ones because this blue, see? Este azul, está bien cortito. This one. I'm gonna have to remove them and just replace just these three. Okay. Okay, so now let's put these ones. Well, let me fix this one on the fuel pump. Vamos a arreglar el de la bomba de la gasolina. Let's fix this one. This one we're not gonna. Maybe I'm going to replace it. Cut it right here. I'm going to replace just the wire. Okay, voy a reemplazar nada más el puro alambre. En este, oh no miran nada ustedes. There's no way you can see because the sun is too bright right there. Okay. Put this right here, right there. Okay. Now you can see better. I'm gonna remove this connector. Vamos a quitar esta conexión. Vamos a reemplazar nada más el puro cable. Ahí está. Okay, move this one. This wire is okay. The green one it's okay. The pink, it's the one that is not okay. Let me pull this one out. Vamos a jalar este. Right there. Now let me push the tab. Vamos a empujar la patita. Let's push the tab so we can pull it out. Now let's pull it. Let me cut this part. Well, right there. Let's push this one through. No, it wants to go right there. we're gonna replace this one with this one. I don't wanna cut this one because this one is good. Maybe I can remove the both, but I'm not going to remove that one. I'm just gonna remove this one, okay? Nomás voy a cambiar el puro cable rosa. See? That's the middle one. That's the one that it's damaged. Let's pull it out. All right. This one is. Let me see. Right there. Right there. Now this one, let's push it through here. Vamos a empujarlo aquí. Este sí tiene lado. This one, it's got side where it's going to lock. It's going to lock in here. So with this tab in there. So let's push it. It's got this hole. That's the locking place. Okay, right there. Now let's put this one. Let's put this one so the wires doesn't go out. Right there. Please go in there. Okay, now let's cut this one over here to make it together with this one. Solder it. Vamos a ponerlo aquí. Right there. Now let's cut, let's strip it. Vamos pelando el cable. It's cold. Right there. Right there. Now we got it there. Now let's slide one piece of this shrink tubing. Vamos a poner este. Right there. Now let's put one piece right here. Poner uno de estos. Lo vamos a cerrar.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to your technician.
We're not gonna
technician in Laguna Heights.
just leave it like that.
They're capable of complete
Like
auto
that.
repairs
We're gonna
and
solder it.
maintenance. They are
Vamos a soldar.
and full computerized diagnostics.
Lo vamos a dejar así.
They'll service your heating
Y
and
así
AC,
a veces se suelta.
stand-up, timing belts, brakes, including ABS,
Me gusta
oil
eso.
changes, and tune-ups.
Nomás lo voy a poner aquí para unirlo, ¿ok?
Highway 100 in Laguna
I'm gonna put
Heights.
it
Open
right
Monday
here
through
so
Saturday.
it
Turn to your
doesn't go
technician,
loose.
Gabriel Auto Technician.
come loose, see?
Gabriel Auto Technician
Right,
in
oh,
Laguna
see?
Heights.
Told you, it doesn't go. It doesn't get tight real good. See, I'm gonna solder it already. I crimp it, but it doesn't get real tight. See, that's why I like to solder it. See, then I solder it. I put this shrink tubing right here, and then we're gonna get this one ready. So vamos a poner este, vamos a soldarlo aquí con el cautín. Y lo vamos a terminar este, de ahí ponemos este o este que son menos. This one is just one. Okay. Okay, so let's solder this wire. Vamos a soldar este. Y vamos a ponerle de tape para conectarlo de una vez y ya. Bien. Aquí. Now this other side. Vamos a ponerle este laredo. That's good. Muy bien. Now we can put this one right here. Wait a little bit to get cold, or we can slide it right there. Then this bit's gonna help us. Okay. Let's hit the shrink tubing. Vamos calentando esto para que ya quede listo. Lo vamos a poner. Lo vamos a conectar de una vez, ¿ok? Right there. Okay. Right there, we got it. Let me put some tape and put these wires together. Vamos a ponerle aquí algo de cinta para que estén estos cables juntos. ¿Sí? Ahí así. Now let's connect it already right here. And this is going to fix the fuel pump circuit. That's why it shows that code on the scanner. Now let's fix these ones. All these. Where this one goes. I don't know where this one goes. These three. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna let this one. This one goes. I think this one is okay. It's only the insulation that it's bad. I'm gonna put this one. This one too is just the insulation. That is better. But I'm gonna connect this one right here. Voy a conectar estos dos aquí y le voy a poner un string tubing a todo esto. Let me put a string tubing to cover this wire, but this wire is not. This wire is different. This wire is copper, and this wire is like aluminum. It's not the same wire. Este no es el mismo lado. So aquí estamos un poquito confundidos. Let me get the light. You can find the color for these. But the thing is the wire. This one it's like copper. And this one it's like aluminum. So I think it's not the same wire that connects right there. Okay, I'm going to left those wires. I'm going to left those wires right there, right here. I don't know where these ones go. Connected to which connector? Oh, this one goes to this one. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eliminate this one because maybe I need to connect this one. I don't want to cut or put extensions to this one. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna solder it right here. Voy a soldarlo aquí. No voy a hacer cortes, extensiones. See, about this length. This one I can connect it right here. This one. Okay. So I'm going to cut this one. Vamos a cortar estos aquí. Vamos a arreglar de una vez este de 4 para no confundirnos. Let's fix this one so we don't get confused with all those wires right here. We need to connect them. The problem is going to be this one, where it goes, this wire. I don't see this wire. Anyways, I'm going to check. This wire connects to this one. But it was right there. Right there. I don't know if it goes round. Let me check. No. You can see. You can see all the wires. This one. No, I don't know where that one goes. Anyways, let's check. Let's connect this one. Vamos a conectar este. This one is so bright for my eyes. Okay. Let's cut this. Let's cut this.
Are you in need a auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to your technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and in full computerized diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-ups.
With
Gabriel Auto Technician at 413
with
Highway 100
connectors.
in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to your technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Right there. Let's don't get squeezed. This one looks better. Okay. Right here. Okay. I fixed this truck with the same problem. What? Not the same problem right here, but it was under on top of the transmission. They bite the cables. Okay. Okay, now let's strip these ones. Estamos pelando estos. I need to get a better strippers. Right here. Okay. Let's see if we can get it squeezed, because they're too close right here. But before, let's put these ones in. Vamos poniendo estos acá adentro. right there. Now let's connect these ones. This is the green with black. Green with black. This one. Negro con verde con negro, digo. All right. Now this one, it's a blue with black. Azul con negro. Using this one. This one is tight. This one is tighter. Right there. Now the green. Green red, verde con el rojo, verde con rojo. Oops.
Are you in
Right
need of auto
there,
repair?
and then yellow
Cars running right.
with red.
Auto technician in Laguna
Yellow
Heights.
red.
Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service
Right
maintenance.
there.
They are AC certified and in full computerized
Ya están conectados todos. Ahora vamos a soldarlos. Let's connect them. They're connected. All of them. Let's solder them. Let's solder these connectors.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.